Ever wished you could capture exactly what's happening on your iPhone screen? Well, with Apple's built-in screen recording feature, you can. Screen recording on iPhone allows you to create video tutorials, capture gameplay highlights, or even record video calls, all without the need for third-party apps. Before you can start recording, you'll need to enable the screen recording option in your iPhone's Control Center. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to the Control Center. Scroll down and locate Screen Recording. Tap the plus sign next to Screen Recording to add it to your Control Center. Now, whenever you need to screen record on iPhone, you'll have quick access through the Control Center. Screen recording on iPhone is a breeze. Here's what to do. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. iPhone 8 and earlier users swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the Control Center. Locate the screen recording icon. It looks like a circle with a dot inside. Tap the record button to begin screen recording. A 3-second countdown will appear on your screen before the recording starts. Minimize Control Center by swiping up iPhone 10 and later, or tapping the empty area at the top of the screen, iPhone 8 and earlier. Proceed with the on-screen activity you want to record. Screen recording on iPhone will capture everything happening on your display. When you're finished recording, tap the red recording bar at the top of your screen. A pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm if you want to stop recording. Tap Stop to finalize the recording. Alternatively, you can open Control Center and tap the red record button again. As mentioned earlier, you can also screen record on iPhone with audio. Open Control Center using the method described above. Long press the screen recording icon. Tap the microphone icon to activate audio recording. The microphone icon will turn red to indicate it's active. Proceed with the steps outlined previously to start and stop your screen recording. Screen recording on iPhone with audio will capture all sounds coming from your iPhone, including microphone input and any audio playing on your device. Your screen recording will be saved in the Photos app, where you can edit, trim, or share it as needed. Apple's screen recording tool is versatile, but some need more features. All links are in description. AZ Screen Recorder offers a free and paid version with features such as screen drawing, live streaming, and video editing tools. Mobizen Screen Recorder is another popular option with screen recording, live streaming, and front-facing camera recording capabilities. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.